You can have everything you have ever wanted and still wake up wondering why you feel empty. That's the trap nobody warns you about. You chase the money, the car, the body, the attention, the perfect relationship, the bigger house, the next achievement, and every time you get something, you feel good for a moment, then the feeling disappears. So you chase again, more, faster, higher, until one day you realize you have spent years running, but you don't even know where you are going. Material things aren't evil. Wanting success isn't weakness. But when possessions become your purpose, they will never be enough because you cannot fill a meaningful life with endless consumption. You can buy comfort, you cannot buy purpose. You can buy entertainment, you cannot buy peace. You can collect attention from thousands of people and still feel completely alone when the room goes quiet. And maybe that's why you are exhausted. Not because you are doing too little, but because you are spending your energy on things that don't truly matter. Look at your life honestly. What are you building? Who are you helping? What are you becoming? Because there comes a point where you have to stop asking, what can I get? And start asking, what can I give? Purpose demands something from you. It asks you to sacrifice comfort, to develop discipline, to keep going when nobody notices, to wake up and do meaningful work when your phone is begging for your attention. It might mean building something that takes years, serving your family, mastering a craft, helping people who are struggling, training your body and strengthening your mind, creating something that outlives your temporary pleasures. And yes, sometimes the meaningful path will feel lonely because the world will keep telling you to consume, scroll, buy, compare, show off, but you don't have to obey every desire that enters your mind. You are allowed to want something deeper, something worth suffering for, something worth waking up early for, something worth protecting when life gets hard. That's where real strength begins. When pleasure stops controlling you and purpose starts leading you. So tonight, take a hard look at your life. What are you chasing? If you lost the money, the status, the followers, the possessions, would you still know who you are? If the answer is no, it's time to rebuild. Not your image, but your character. Choose one meaningful thing and commit to it. Put the phone away. Stop wasting hours consuming someone else's life. Go outside. Think. Write down what matters. Then take one difficult action towards it. It's not always about just collecting meaningless material stuff because your life is not meant to be a shopping list of things you wanted. It is a story of what you stood for. One day the noise will disappear, the possessions will lose their shine, the applause will fade, and you will be left with one question: did I actually live for something that mattered? Make sure the answer is yes. Stop running after everything that shines. Find something worth bleeding for. Build something worth protecting. Become someone worth becoming. Because the richest life isn't the one that owns the most, it's the one that has finally found a reason to wake up every day.